Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about you go in, you get your vehicle fixed, you pick it up, everything seems great, and then something goes wrong. Possibly related to the repair that happened, possibly not. But what we do need to do is make sure we get your vehicle back to a place that we can get you safely off the road and have the vehicle looked at again. I'm convinced that everybody in the automotive field, when they fix your vehicle, wants your repair to go perfectly great. Unfortunately today, with all the electronics we have on vehicles, concerns we have, issues, parts that can fail, even new, sometimes things don't go the way we planned. When that does happen, such as that check engine light comes back on, the vehicle starts to run warm, AC doesn't work after an AC repair, the best thing you can do is pick up the phone and call the facility that fixed your vehicle. In doing so, such as at the West Automotive Group, the first thing we want to do is make sure you and your family are safe, get the vehicle off the side of the road, get you back to the facility as soon as possible so we can verify what's going on. Does this happen a lot? No, it doesn't. But when it does, it can be very stressful. So that's why today I decided to talk about what to do whenever this does happen with your vehicle. Those are the things that will keep you safe. Make sure you reach out to who fixed your vehicle. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Watch for the Auto Man Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.